Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature KYUKYU RAMEN99 franchise business package ideas. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for KYUKYU RAMEN99 franchise business package ideas. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoako@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1. Company profile. Number 2. KYUKYU RAMEN99 branches. Number 3. KYUKYU RAMEN99 menus. Number 4. Store models. Number 5. Franchise application. Number 6. Franchise business packages. And number 7. Contact details. For the company profile, Binondo Food Corporation, BFC, the company behind Wang Fu Chinese Cafe, has been providing world-quality yet affordable food products to every Filipino for 21 years now. Seeing that the ramen market in the Philippines are dominated by foreign brands, selling ramen at around 400 pesos per bowl, a luxury to the Filipino. BFC aimed to bridge the gap between quality and affordability. Although relatively young in the industry at 3 years, KYUKYU RAMEN99 has successfully penetrated the quick service restaurant market, grew into 13 branches of several store models, inline store, food cart, ramen bar, and full-size restaurant, and completely changed the ramen game for Filipinos. The following are the KYUKYU Ramen branches: National Bookstore Quezon City, Ayala Malls Cloverleaf, Robinson's Town Mall Malabon, Ayala Marikina, Fairview Terraces, Star Mall EDSA, Robinson's Galleria, Farmers Plaza, SM Center Las Piñas, UST Multi-Level Parking, Ayala Malls Marikina, Taytay Rizal, and Katipunan Avenue. The following are the KYUKYU RAMEN99 menus. Number 1. Premium Umami Ramen. Number 2. KYUKYU Ramen. Number 3. Tonkatsu Ramen. Number 4. Cheesy Tonkatsu Ramen. Number 5. Special Spicy Tonkatsu Ramen. Number 6. Ichiban Ramen. Number 7. Spicy Ichiban Ramen. Number 8. Beef Gyudon. Number 9. Chicken Teriyaki. And number 10. Gyoza. For the store models, the following are the type of stores. Number 1. Inline stores. Number 2. Food court. Number 3. Ramen bar. And number 4. Restaurant. For the franchise application, number 1. Applicant's name and contact number. Number 2. Specific location of desired sites and landmarks. Number 3. Rental rates and terms. Number 4. Time and date available for possible interview. And number 5. You need to pay 25,000 pesos for the reservation fee, which covers ocular and feasibility study. For the franchise packages, The franchise fee is worth 75,000 pesos. The franchisee fee includes the use of company's branding, packaging, and recipes, 5-year contract, 4% royalty fee, and 1% marketing fee of your gross sales. Number 4. Staff and owner training. Number 5. Use of company-developed business solutions software for ease of operations. And number 6. Operations of your own GrabFood, Foodpanda, and others. The franchisee fee excludes the full store construction wherein cost varies with floor sizes. And lastly, complete equipment and furnishings. For the contact details, you may contact KYUKYU RAMEN99 with the address The Cloverleaf, Andres Bonifacio, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. You may contact their mobile number at 63976-019-0332, and you can send them an email at kyukyuramen99.bfg@gmail.com. You can visit their Facebook and Instagram accounts at KYUKYURAMEN99. Are you ready to explore the most exciting possibilities with your own Japanese ramen franchise? Begin this delicious new venture with KYUKYU RAMEN99 today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.